Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 face coverings using one small t-shirt. The supplies you're going to need are a ruler, a pencil, hair ties or rubber bands, scissors, and of course an old cotton t-shirt that you can cut up. I will be using a white t-shirt that is no longer wide enough to wear with my dress whites, but you can use anything that you have. This is a size small, so any size t-shirt should work. Just remember that if you are going to be wearing this in uniform for any branch of service, that it abides by your uniform regulations. So first step, I'm going to be measuring out a 15 by 15 inch square in the middle of my t-shirt, and I'm using my pencil to draw guidelines. Once I have my square drawn, I will use my scissors to cut through both the front and the back of the t-shirt at the same time. Just go slow and remember it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. After you're done cutting, you should end up with 2 beautifully cut squares. Go ahead and set one aside, and with the other we are going to begin our folds. Start by bringing 2 opposite corners together to create a triangle, and I like to give it a little shake to help even it out. Now, I tried the method where you fold it into a rectangle and then tuck one side into the other, but it kept falling apart when I put it on because it wasn't long enough. So this method allows you to use a smaller piece of fabric and create 2 face coverings that adjust to your face size. Once you have a nice flat triangle, we're going to fold it into thirds, so bring that top point to about the center and then fold that same side down to line up with the bottom. Now for this next step, you're going to take your hair ties or your rubber bands and you're going to roll the end corners around the hair ties. So first, I place the hair tie over the corner and I'm just going to roll the fabric around the tie. You don't want it to be too tight where it'll twist up the hair tie, but not too loose where it'll just unroll. It helps to stretch out the bands every now and then as you're rolling, so that way it doesn't get too bunched up and the hair tie doesn't get too twisted up inside. Remember, you can always unroll or roll up more later to get the perfect fit for your personal face size. At the end, you'll want to end up with a loop on the outside. Once you're finished with one side, go ahead and turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. Again, first I place the band on top of the corner and then roll the fabric around the tie, stretching it along the way to help make it easier and neater. After you've rolled up both sides, you will have completed one face covering. Just repeat these steps with the other square to create a second if you so choose. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped, and I hope you all stay safe and healthy out there.